Hello there, how's it going? I'm Veggie Rose. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and sweet Saturday, like today. So, in today's video, we're gonna be making some hot chocolate floats. I'm so excited because out of like all the sweet things, I really love hot chocolate. So, and I know it's warming up outside, but we're gonna dollop it with a nice, delicious scoop of ice cream. So, yes, let's get veggie. So first things first, we're gonna be boiling some milk, and I'm just using unsweetened almond milk, and I have a cup in there. And into our mixture here, we're gonna be adding a little bit of vanilla extract. The full recipe will be down below. We're also gonna be adding in some sugar and some unsweetened cocoa powder. And we're just gonna mix this up until everything becomes like nice and melted in or incorporated. We're gonna assemble this, but first, here we have some melted semi-sweet chocolate chips. And these are non-dairy, and I just melted these in the microwave. If you melt them in the microwave, just be careful when you just make sure you're not like leaving them too long each time that you set it. And look, oh how cute. You just rim it. Another thing that's really cool to do, you want to impress someone, actually put some of the ice cream inside, like in the bottom. Toss some of the ice cream in there first, and then go ahead and pour in your delicious hot chocolate. And then of course, you can't top off. And right here I just have some warm water because it just makes it easier to scoop out the ice cream. And then we're gonna add a scoop right on top. Oh, it's going everywhere and it's so beautiful. And a little more for good luck. Will it hold? Will it hold? Yes! Awesome. And there you have your deliciously beautiful hot chocolate float. Alright, so it's time for the taste test cam. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness, it's just like leaking all over the place and it's still warm. It's so, I want to do it with a spoon or a straw, but I have no straws. I have no straw, you guys. Oh my goodness. That's so good. I can't even lie. My first thought whenever I take a sip of this is it would go awesome with like maybe a little rum in it. I don't know, but it's so good. You guys try this out. Let me know what you guys think. It's so yummy. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes on here. I would love to see what you made, and I would love to know what you think about it. Also, don't forget to hashtag Team Veggie Rolls, because I like to feature, or lately I've been featuring people who make the recipes that I make on my Instagram. If you hashtag Team Veggie Rolls, I will notice it, and then you can be featured on my stories. But anywho, thank you so much for watching again, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!